Let's learn how to receive push notifications from the Vivaldi app whenever your link reaches a certain number of clicks. Click on More Options and check the Push Notif option. This enables push alerts through the Vivaldi app when your click count reaches the set threshold. I just clicked the link, so the click count is now 1. Let's go to the settings and configure push alerts for 3 and 5 total clicks. For testing, I'll add click thresholds for 3 and 5. What's important is that click alerts are based on today's clicks, not total accumulated clicks. So even if today's total is 100, alerts will be sent again tomorrow when it reaches 3 and 5 clicks. Now push alerts will be sent when the click count reaches 3 and 5. Let's see how the notifications appear on a mobile device. Use push and email notifications wisely. If you're getting too many alerts, adjust the click thresholds accordingly. Try Vivaldi now.